Hello, welcome to grandmasantiquerecipes.com. Now today we're going to do another recipe out of Grandma Sarah's book, and we're going to do potato cakes. Now these are really easy to do and they're very nutritious as well. First of all, in this pan here I've already weighed out 2 to 3 pounds of potatoes. Peeled them, cut them up in equal sizes, put them in enough water just to cover them and brought them to the boil, and then when it boils turn them down half and let them simmer until they're soft. Then what we do, we drain them, be very careful because they're hot, into a colander, put them back in the pan and leave them until they go completely cold. So that's what's happened there. They've gone completely cold and that's at the stage we're at. Here, we're having here 6 ounces of plain flour, and in there we've got, well, Grandma says 4 ounces of lard in the book, and for me it was just too much, so I put 1.5 ounces in here, and I've rubbed it in. This is the lard, and I've rubbed it in until it's like breadcrumbs, just like this, in the big bowl here. So we'll put that in there. I've already done that. Very simple to make this. It's great for the kids. You can add ham or cheese to them at a later stage. You can eat them with beans or a salad or potatoes and vegetables. Now that's the lard rubbed in into the flour. Then what we do, put a teaspoonful of salt in, well, a pinch of salt. We've also put a teaspoonful of baking powder in, and that helps them to puff up. Because the shop bought ones, for me, I don't like them. These are completely different. Then we get our potatoes and we put them into the flour. Now when you buy the potatoes, make sure that they are the floury type. If you don't get the floury type, then they will just go all gloopy and they're very hard to handle when you've got to mould them into the potato cakes. Mix that well, mix it with a spatula or with your hands if you can get them in. And it comes to be quite dry until all the flour is absorbed into the potato mix. Now you've already got your oven on at 220 degrees centigrade or gas mark 7. This is going now, here we go. There we go. Okay, that's up to now. Now this is a really easy meal to do. And like I say, if you've any mash left from the day before, or you know, you just want to make them just as a snack for the children, then they're good. So there we go, here we go, until it forms like dough. So we get rid of that there, we put that there. Now, what we do is, on a floured surface, get our baking tray, and you've greased your baking tray very lightly. You take a piece about so big in a ball like that, and you press it round like that till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Just mould it round like that. Just put a bit of a pattern on it and onto the baking tray. So you continue doing that until all your mixture's gone. Now you can freeze these for another time. It's perfectly fine. And they really are very tasty. So you just keep pressing them like that. Okay? And you carry on doing that until you've used all your potato mix up. Now you can, when they're finished, you can serve them with melted cheese on or a bit of ham on, or the kids like them with beans. And here you go. And that's it. And you put them in the oven and you bake them for about 10 minutes, and then you flip them over with a big skillet, turn them over onto the other side and bake them again until they're lovely and golden brown. Now there's some that I did earlier. And this is how they come out. You just put them on here. Salt and pepper, maybe a bit of sauce. Serve them hot. Best butter on. And there we have Grandma Sarah's potato cakes. Until next time, and I'll see you then. Bye.